Welcome back to my new video. One of my customer gave me this phone to repair. He told me that when you turn on the phone only stand on itel logo. Okay, the phone is itel, so when you turn on the phone, it's only showing itel logo without doing any other thing. Okay, when you turn on, it's only showing itel logo. My dear technician, as normal, as usual, okay, so you need to confirm whether it's true before I proceed. I want to be sure that the phone is turning on before I proceed because I don't want to have any issue with my customer. Okay, you guys know, do my phone the way it was, so it's a normal thing, so I have to confirm before I proceed. So the first thing, I try turning on the phone to see whether what he told me is true or not. At technician, I tried turning on the phone. It was not turning on, so I have to test the battery to confirm whether there is voltage. My dear technician, it's important for you to check very well, confirm and be sure that what your customer told you is true, okay? Because if you open this phone now and check at the end, the phone is not still working, your customer may tell you to at least do the phone the way it was. I mean, make the phone to turn on and then hang on itel logo, okay? So that he can collect it back. By the technician, you can see I try again to turn on the phone. It's not still working. The phone is not turning on. The phone is not turning on. So the next thing is for me to ask him, what should I do? He told me I should continue. I should work on the PCB. My dear technician, check this out. When I open, I discovered that they have already worked on this phone before. Okay, they have already worked on it. So he told me that he took it to one technician and the technician told him that it is flashing issue. But when they connect it to the PC is not detecting. So my dear technician, first thing is for me to check the charging port to see if there's anything wrong. I need to check the charging port to see if there's anything wrong. Check this out, my dear technician. I zoom to check for physical damage before I proceed. It's important. Check this out, my dear technician. It's important. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know. Let me know right now. Check this out. You can see that the charging port is new. The charging port is new. They have not changed it before. Check this out, my dear technician. I check for physical damage. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. The way they change this charging port will never connect to PC because data minus and data plus is not connected. Okay, you can see they only connect the V bus and the negative just for charging. So first thing, I'll use my multimeter and read the data minus and data plus to confirm if it is short to ground, and after that I'll remove the charging port and take my time to connect it. My dear technician, let me use my multimeter to test the data minus and the data plus to be sure if they are working. Check this out, my dear technician, you can see it's short. You can see that is short. The data minus and the data plus is short. Okay, but the ID pin is not short. ID pin is not short. Data minus and data plus is short. Check this out, my dear technician. Something is wrong. To fix this issue is very simple. So first thing, I'll remove the charging port. The problem is from the charging port. So I'll remove the charging port. So that is the first thing that you need to do. I'll remove the charging port. But before I remove, let me use my soldering iron, try to separate the pins. Okay, Because the pin is short, I will try to separate it. If not working, I'll remove the charging port and go further and check. My dear technician, if you have any question, feel free. Okay, feel free, let me know. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. I apply paste first, so it's important. Apply paste. Check this out. Apply paste. And then use your soldering iron to separate the pins. Take your time to do this. If you have any question, let me know. Feel free. Tell me something in the comment section. Tell me something in the comment section, my dear technician. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Let me know if you have any question. Let me know if you have any question. My dear technicians, I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Make sure you clean it very well. Check this out. I take my time to do this. So take your time to do yours. Take your time to do yours. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. I'll be done. I will 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 be done. Check this out, my dear technician. I clean it very well. All the pins are on their own. All the pins are on their own. Check this out, my dear technician. If you have any question, feel free. Ask me a question in the comment section. Check this out, my dear technician. So the next thing is for me to test it. Check this out. You can see it's still short. It's still short. My dear technician is still short. Something is wrong. So I'll remove the charging port so that I can go further and check. My dear technician, I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. You may ask, Father Joe, why do you want the data minus and the data plus to work? My dear technician, let me quickly explain this, okay? It's important. So the data minus and data plus is for data transfer, okay? Data minus and data plus is for data transfer. Now we have the ID pin. We have 5 pins, okay? We have the negative, we have the ID, we have the data minus and the data plus, and we also have the positive, which is the V bus. Now, the ID pin is not short. The data minus and the data plus is short to the ground, okay? Meaning that the phone will not turn on because it's short to the ground. If data minus and data plus is short to itself, I mean it's short together, without shorting to the ground, the phone will on very well, but it will not connect to the PC. Now, the data minus and the data plus is short together and is connected to the ground. It's short with the ground, okay? That means that this phone will not on, okay? You may ask, Father Joe, how can we solve this issue? My dear technician, there are so many methods you can use to solve it, okay? Just keep watching so that you will learn, okay? Now I'm trying to remove the charging port, okay? I want to remove it. So if you have any question concerning this, you're free. Ask me in the comment section right now. If you have any question that you want to ask me, okay? Ask me in the comment section. Check this out, my dear technician. I will be done. Check this out, my dear technician. I just removed the charging port right now. So let me start to troubleshoot and know where the problem is actually coming from, whether it's from the power IC, whether it's from the CPU. I will know where the problem is coming from. Whether it's from the EMC, I will know. My dear technician, don't worry. I'll show you where the problem is actually coming from, so that in case you encounter this kind of issue, you'll be able to fix it. Check this out. I take my time to clean it very well. I clean the pins very, very well. Check this out. If you have any question, you're free. Ask me in the comment section. If you have any question, check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. I will be done. 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 Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, I'm done cleaning. So the next thing is for me to use my multimeter and run a test. Okay, I need to run a test to confirm. Check this out. I need to run a test. I need to test it with my multimeter to confirm. Check this out. I clean it very well before I start testing. Check this out, my dear technician. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. My dear technician. Check this out. I use my sharp object and clean it very well. Make sure you clean it. You scrape it very well. I want to make sure that there's no short. Check this out, my dear technician. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I will be done, my dear technician. Check this out. It's very simple. Check this out, my dear technician. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. If you have any question, let me know. Take your time to do it. My dear technician, please take your time to do it. Do not rush. Take your time to do this, my dear technician. Check this out. I clean it very well. The next thing is for me to use my multimeter to test it. Now it should be working. My dear technician, check this out. It's still shorting. My dear technician is still shorting. This is from IC. My dear technician, the shorting is from IC. The shorting is from IC straight. My dear technician, the shorting is from IC. Check this out. I need to change the power IC. The power IC is not working. The problem is from the power IC, my dear technician. My dear technician, I will open the shell so that I can go deeply and check. So let me do that now. If you have any question, let me know. If you have any question concerning this, let me know, my dear technician. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. My dear technician, check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. Take your time to do this. Please be very, very careful. Be very, very careful, my dear technician. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. Boom, my data ignition. Check this out. I'm done. Check this out, my data ignition. If you have any question concerning this, feel free. My data ignition. I apply paste to the power IC and hit the power IC very well. Check this out, my data ignition. Check this out, my data ignition. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out, my data ignition. I hit the power IC very well. It's important in case there is short. So I hit it and I shake it very well, my data ignition. I hit it and I shake it very well. If you have any question concerning this, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, my data ignition. Check this out, my data ignition. My data ignition, check this out. My data ignition. Check this out, my data ignition. After I'm done with heating up, I test it again to confirm if it's working. My data ignition is not working. It's still shorting my data ignition. So the only way to solve this thing is to change the power IC. The power IC is not working. So I'll let the owner know so that I will change the power IC. My data ignition, let me know in the comment section if you have learned something today. You saw everything, the first method, the second, and other methods. If you have learned something today, let me know in the comment section. My data ignition, see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all.